It's not always easy to make new friends, especially if you've moved or if you're going through different phases of your life. So I'm going to tell you what I did in hopes that it helps some of you. I was looking at meetup groups in my city and I just couldn't find one that I was looking for. I really didn't want to drive all over the city. I wanted to meet friends in my neighborhood so we can have walkable meetups. So I went on Nextdoor and also on our neighborhood Facebook group, and I posted a message that I wanted to start a meetup of women over 50 who lived in the neighborhood. And I ended up getting 50 people who wanted to join. So I moved everybody to a WhatsApp group so we communicate on WhatsApp. And we have several meetups during the week, and whoever can go goes. We do it at different times so everybody has a chance to do something. So we have things that happen in the morning, the afternoon, the evening. Not everybody shows up at once. It's usually just small groups who can come that day. And I also opened it up so that if anybody is going out, say for a cup of coffee, they can go on WhatsApp and say, hey, I'm going to such and such for a cup of coffee. Does anyone want to join me? It has worked out fabulous. It was easy, doesn't cost anything. And I just want you to know that if you're looking for friends, there are tons of people out there also looking for friends. They're just waiting for somebody to make the first move. So just do it. You have nothing to lose. I hope this helps, and I hope that you meet a lot of new friends.